What's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Police Save Baby from an Unfit Mother, Insanely Dangerous to Raise Her. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
So give me my kid, let me leave now. And he has done nothing but me the entire time.
You know what? Shut the up. I don't want to bring you your kid because you are a mess.
The back of our daughter's head hit the door frame.
You don't put a child in the middle of your fight. She's so used to them yelling and screaming like this.
On January 20th, 2024, officers responded to a residence following a report of a couple getting into a heated argument that became physical, resulting in their child being injured.
Police department.
My God, what? What?
Is that how it's gonna be?
Yeah, this is really how it's gonna be. Cause I've been trying to leave this stupid son of a and y'all ain't gonna do nothing. So give me my kid, let me leave now. That's what y'all are supposed to be here for. Not for me, for him.
Wow.
So until I get my kid, I'm gonna be this way.
Okay.
Because they had no right. He didn't ask my permission first.
What do you? I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I'm talking about my kid being upstairs that I've been trying to get a hold of and get my kid back for the last 5 minutes while I've been waiting for y'all.
Okay, did you
Since
call?
they called him? No, they thought they called you.
Okay. Why'd they call?
How the am I supposed to know? All I know is I'm fighting. I don't know.
Okay.
Probably because the bitch outside saying that I hit her kid, but the door that did it was his son.
Okay, I don't know anything about that, but I'd be willing to figure
I
out.
want the kid down here so I can take her and and leave.
How old's your child?
She is a year old, and he has done nothing but abuse me the entire time.
Can you bring it down?
No, because you guys will not bring me my kid to know that she's actually in safe hands, because I don't trust them.
But where's your kid at?
Upstairs!
With the neighbors?
Yes!
I don't want. You know what? Shut the up. I don't want to bring you your kid because you are a mess. You are not fit to parent right now.
Yeah, I'm not a fit parent, really?
You are not fit to parent right now. Look at yourself.
Yeah, because he sure is.
All right, do you have injury at all? Or have you been injured? No.
Why does it matter? Why?
It apparently doesn't then.
You won't give me my kid, so why does it matter?
You know what? If you can't have a conversation like an adult and act like an adult, then I'm not gonna try and force it with you.
Mom that wants my kid so I can leave.
Jesus Christ.
He stepped at the doorway here. She had stepped into the doorway without me realizing it, about as far in as about my shoulder would have hit about where your bag is on your back.
Okay. And then that sent her into the wall?
And I don't know if it was hard enough to send her into the wall or if she had exaggerated it. I don't know.
Okay, gotcha. Then what happened?
And then after that, she hit me. She shoved me. I took her to the ground.
Okay.
She continued trying to hit me, telling me to let her go. I said, when you're calm.
Okay. And where was your kiddo during all this?
In her pack and play.
Okay.
In the living room.
Okay.
Dining room
Okay.
area. And then I grabbed our daughter and I went to go upstairs. And she shoved the door shut behind me, shoving me and our daughter into the door frame, and the back of our daughter's head hit the door frame.
Are you injured at all, Chris?
Not that I'm aware of.
No. Okay. And daughter's with the neighbors, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. I'll go and touch base with them.
Yeah, my kid is gone, and they won't bring her to me.
Hi, everybody. My name's Ben Dostal. What's kind of going on?
She's obviously irate. I can't get a statement out of her.
Every weekend, pardon my language, I'm pissed because the simple fact is you don't put a child in the middle of your fight.
No, I hear you. Yeah. Do you guys know what happened, or what did you hear or see before we got here?
So basically, it seems to me that she's extremely insecure because of past that he's done.
Okay.
And so there's constantly a fight every weekend over who he's talking to, what he's doing on his phone, this, that, and the other.
Mm-hmm.
In all honesty, for 2 years now, it's been the same thing.
Okay.
It's constant. I am so sorry for my mouth. I'm furious
bother
right
me.
now, dude.
Don't bother me none.
That poor baby has done nothing to anybody, and I listen to the way that they talk to her when she's screaming, throwing a fit.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, it's a freaking 1-year-old.
Right.
Pick it up. Love on it. Give it food. Change its diaper. Like, they're simple to take care of. Every time a fight starts, it's every weekend.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost every weekend. Sometimes it escalates this bad. Sometimes it's not this bad. This is the first time that I've ever heard of her getting hurt during a fight, and I absolutely gave her. Chris came up, gave Jen the baby. I went downstairs to tell them both they need to knock off because they're fighting. I have 4 kids of my own. 3 of them right now are gone to the Royal Kids Family Club over there at the church. My littlest one is here, and now we have her, which I'm cool with. I love this little girl.
So she has injury, this little girl does?
She got her head slammed, I guess, is what Chris said. But I haven't seen anything, and she hasn't been flinching when you touch her or anything. But it's literally every freaking weekend they're fighting over something. And honestly, man, I'm tired of it. Yeah. Not only is it traumatizing my family, like my dog is terrified.
Yeah.
And she's a huge dog. Like she's terrified anytime they start fighting. So that tells you me and her don't even raise our voices very often.
Yeah.
The most I'll raise my voice is when it's 4 kids yelling and screaming, "Go, keep it down." And it's instantly silent.
Was she crying when you got her at all?
As far as I know, no.
Okay.
She's so used to them yelling and screaming.
This is sad. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is pretty sad. I mean, man, if they're doing this when the baby is like young, you know, when the baby is a baby, right? It's only gonna get worse when the child gets older, especially if the mother has an anger problem and she's arguing with her boyfriend or her father or whoever, whatever. Okay, they go back and forth, yada, yada, yada. But then also, whenever the child is doing something wrong, you yelling at the child as if the child is an adult. Like, come on. Let's be real here. It's not like the child is like 13 or something, you know right from wrong, know what to do. You know what I'm saying? 1 year old? Come on, man. You yelling at the baby all crazy like that. The baby trying to figure out the baby don't even know what Monday is yet. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. It doesn't make any sense. That's why not everyone is fit to have children. And a lot of times when relationships go sour between mom and dad, it's when they have a child. It's like, because things were probably messed up prior, right? And then they add a child into the mix, whether it's intentional or unintentional. They add a child to the mix, and having the stresses of a newborn, plus dealing with the problems that are already in your relationship that was never resolved, is a recipe for disaster. It literally is a recipe for disaster, and that's why a lot of people split. You know what I mean? It's either money or kids, stuff like that. Like, it's, you know what I mean? Like, but the father, oh man, why you with her? You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, and I'm not trying to just blame it on the mom. I think both is wrong, right? But if the father is getting beat on, what is he supposed to do? You know what I mean? Like, it's just like, because it seems like the mom is the aggressor. This is one of those videos where, the dad isn't the aggressor. The mom is the aggressor, and the dad is trying to restrain the mom. So it's just like, man, she's making it. It's a horrible situation, and then definitely to put the kid into the mix, terrible.
Like this, I don't feel like she even understands, like, this isn't normal. Of course, she's a baby,
Yeah.
I'm literally shaking right now because I'm so pissed.
Okay.
Like, he came upstairs and basically barged his way past me. I went down there, and they were literally fighting at the door, opening and closing, slamming it, until I literally just barged my way in there, and I was like, you both need to knock it off. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of dealing with you guys fighting all the time. Now you got a baby in the mix.
If you could just hold on to her for a second, I'll get back with you, okay?
Yep.
I need my kid now. I have my mom on the way so we can go and
Put your
leave.
hands behind your back.
Why am I getting arrested? What the hell am I getting arrested for? What the am I getting arrested for?
Child, let's go.
I didn't do anything! What the I didn't even do anything!
This way?
What the hell? I didn't even do anything to her! What the
Stop right here and face at that duty.
Oh my god! What the?
Do you have anything on you, officers?
I don't have anything on me. I just proposed I was like, come get my kid. I didn't even hurt her.
Have a seat inside. Watch your head.
Stuff out her hand.
Yep. I don't know about domestic assault or anything, but we for sure have child abuse.
Okay.
So I'm going with that for sure.
Okay. What do you want me to do?
I think that should be all I need. Chris, from what I've gathered, just so you're on the same page, it sounds like you were in an argument. You were getting the child to remove the child from the apartment. She slammed the door and the kid's head got caught in the door.
And slammed the door shut. And in doing so, her chest made contact with my back.
Okay.
Which pushed me forward. It contact the door frame.
Okay.
Hard enough for it took her a couple seconds and she looked at me like, gave me that look like, what just happened? And then she started to realize that it hurt.
That's
but
the reason
she didn't cry for more than a couple of minutes.
That's the reason I'm taking her to jail, is because that's child abuse. Can you spell Cachain's name for me, please?
Chachain.
I will have to forward this report to DHHS. Are you involved with a caseworker at all or anything?
The only caseworker I'm involved with right now is the caseworker regarding my other daughter.
Okay.
That is in state custody.
Okay. Just so you
because of her mother, not because of me.
Okay. Just for the sake of full transparency, I have to forward this to them. Nothing I haven't just discussed.
Cause I was about to say, man, god damn, bro. You have another child and the child is with the state, but he says it's not because of him, it's because of the mom. So my question would be, if the mom messed up and the child got sent to the state, if the mom messed up, why doesn't the child go with the father before going to the state? That would be my only question. What's going on with him to where he can't, have his child or whatever before, going to whatever, maybe foster care or a group home, whatever the situation is, right? This is a hot mess.
Just for the sake of full transparency, I have to forward this to them. Nothing I haven't just discussed with you will be disclosed, and so we'll do it that way. Okay. Do you have any questions for me? No. Okay. I'm going to touch base with the neighbors, and then we'll get her down there. Okay. Alicia's going to jail. Christopher, for the rest of the day or whenever. Do you folks have any questions for me?
Is she okay?
Yeah, I think she's
okay. Bro, I'm not trying to be an asshole, but
we got the problem dealt with at least for today, but just wanted you guys to be aware of that, okay?
The instant she comes back, though, it's
pardon
gonna
me.
be an issue, dude.
She won't be back till Monday, so hopefully some things can get kind of sorted out until then.
The woman was charged with child abuse.
Yeah, so that's a sad situation. Anytime a child is involved, and the parents cannot get along for the sake of the child, what does him texting other girls in the past or whatever the case may be, what does that have to do with arguing in front of your kid to the point where the child gets hurt? That makes absolutely no sense and it's unacceptable. So anyways, I'm going to rate the officer a 3 out of 5. Man, actually, 4 out of 5. Because actually, I like how, I like how he dealt with her. You know what I'm saying? I do like how he dealt with her. I ain't gonna lie. So 4 out of 5 from me. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.